Hey craft heroes, let's dive into this Muddy's 3D wall frame. The Scream. Grab your paints, brushes, and a spark of boldness. Rinse cup and paper towels too. Settle in, take a deep breath, let your creativity ignite, and shake off the day's stress. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Use a flat brush to apply color number 0 to the outer frame. After the first layer is dry, apply a second coat to show more color. Remember to wait for each layer to dry before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Use a flat brush to mix colors number 8, number 10, and number 22 to paint the sky. Step 3. Use a flat brush to paint the fjord in color number 3. Step 4. Use a flat brush to paint the lake in colors number 10, number 17, and number 22. Step 5. Use a flat brush to paint the canyon in colors number 6, number 8, and number 10. Step 6. Use a flat brush to draw a wooden bridge in colors number 2, number 8, and number 10. Step 7. Use a precision brush to paint the boat in color number 3. Then use a flat brush to paint the figures in the distance with colors number 3 and number 8. Step 8. Use a precision brush to draw the main figure with colors number 2, number 8, and number 10. Step 9. Use a precision brush to paint the main figure with colors number 2, number 10, and number 17. Wow! Your The Scream is a total win. Rinse brushes, dry flat, then hang or gift it. Tag #CraftHero and #Muddies to share the hype. Thanks for crafting. See you next time.